Alright? Today we're gonna go to the farm.
How many sandal crystal came past?
Okay, coming up, it's ready. Thank you.
This is cool.
Hi there. Okay, do you need straws? I'm good.
Yes.
No straws?
One straw.
Just one. Just one? No problem. There you go. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
S'mores cold brew.
I am here at the Anchor Farm. It is really nice. It's really, really nice. Now look at the back. Oof.
I watched you from music's playing. Let's go out and feel the night.
So we have to get the wristband here. Yay, thank you. Thank you. Got a little moo and a cute chicken.
Confirm on the screen and follow the prompts. So I got wristbands for everybody.
This is the gift shop. A moo cow. Okay, we are here really early and it's really, really nice in the background. As you can see, music and farm. Now I gotta go find the pee-pee room. I don't know where. Oh my god, this is so cute. Check this out. Little chair that you can sit. So now in terms of like the pee-pee room, they only have the portable stuff, which is okay. Hopefully it's clean and really need to go. Oh, they have like a washing station, portable as well. And then we're gonna go explore. Oh my god. This one is maybe 5 years old. Ohio.
Oh, 안녕하세요.
No? Okay, fine. Gonna go see the piggy.
Yeah.
Oh, the tail keeps.
Yeah.
I have two crazy person here. They wanna be a chicken and egg.
What?
There's a bunch of cute like rooster here. Say stop!
Look at the tiny baby goat. Right there.
I'm going to see the cow. I'm going to see the cow. The furry cow. They look so cute. I'm so excited. Okay, so OMG. 안녕하세요. So cute. Come on, tell me. Okay, you are very cute. This is not to eat, but you are so cute. Oh. Go over here.
Okay, stay. You're too far, Kim. Come here.
Yay, Kim touch
I'm
it.
gonna touch the horn.
These two are crazy.
Yeah, Lauren, you wanna come pet this little baby over here?
I said, leave me alone. I'm drinking water.
Drinking water. You're like sucking the throat.
That was.
She wondered if they sell beef here, and I say no. They just
I
a
don't
laughing
want-
cow,
I
but
don't
they're
want
not
to
really.
eat beef here. I'm just wondering if they do.
Cow is different from beef.
Cow is beef.
That's how I should be.
This is horrible.
So what about Gong Zhao? What is Gong Zhao?
Buffalo, no?
Buffalo.
Ah. So Gong Bo is beef.
Cow.
Is cow.
Well, beef.
Beef is the meat of the cow.
Yeah. So what's a cow then? In
Cow
Vietnamese.
is bò.
Gong ba.
Mm-hmm.
Tut ba is
Yeah.
meat.
Okay, this conversation getting weird. Bye bye. I have fun so far. It's actually really nice here. But you do want to come in the morning, really early. I think we got here around like 9:45 or 10. Why? Because there's a lot of flies and stuff. So maybe kind of hot if you go like a bit later. But it's really such a nice walk. Like it's just farm. Keep seeing around. So I think it's around like $20 per person. Pet it. Oh, you are so cute. Keep scratching, guys, so I can take a photo. Yeah, I need to be scratched.
Itchy. I know you itchy. So itchy.
Remember the kangaroo?
I thought you meant the kangaroo here.
When we went in Vancouver.
Isn't that baby kangaroo?
So cute.
He's like, leave me alone, human.
This is so cool. They built like a little forest for them. Like, so cool.
Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah.
The two baby one is
Excuse
so
me.
cute.
I'm talking to you. Hey.
That baby is so
Hey bà. Hey yeah. Hey.
Ê 35.
Ngầu dục. Not ngầu dục. What is?
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
it says.
Dân dục.
No,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
goat.
Dân dục.
No,
The poop. This is what people call bubble tea.
Oh, Kim to Kim.
touch it, touch it.
Hi. Yes. Yeah, I know you.
The grass. There's no more grass.
Here, if you guys wanted to come in to pet the dog.
Yay! We are gonna go in to order food. Wait, let's see what they
They're
have.
like the size.
Look at the stuff they have here. Candy, sticker. Oh gosh. OMG. Look at this pin. Chee! These are also so cute. It's for your Crocs.
About 10 or 12 minutes. It's number 56 in the courtyard. They'll call that number when the pizzas are ready. Okay?
Thank you. Ready?
You have to come. You have to do this.
We have to.
对.
Cheers.
Not bad.
I love mine.
Let me try this one. So true.
I like the blue one. I like the lavender one.
I like the blue one the best so far.
I like the lavender one the best.
Oh, that one's good actually. They're just kind of sweet.
I'm trying the beer too.
Okay, my favorite is the blue one.
I like this. I think I can have another one.
Orange. That's us.
Peace out,
We opened this one since 2021.
Whoa!
We saw the sign.
Whoa! Also have the hot sauce for you, medium and hot. Wow,
There's
I'm
more. I
excited.
just got-
So for you I bleed myself.
Hey, baby.
So for you I bleed I would have done whatever. And I just
Feel like he's ignoring us.
Really good music here. You cannot believe it. Live music, eating a best pizza. This is the life. So cool, you can relax. But you don't want to leave in the back because I know the restaurant. I just don't want to get my white shirt dirty, but it's nice in here. Such a beautiful day. I think like once this is hit Instagram, social media, it will be so many people gonna come. Just a nice place for kids, you know, coming in the summer. So what not to like, right?
Oh, those are alpacas.
So this is how many animals live here. 2 dogs, 2 deer, miniature donkey, and so on.
We didn't see sheep.
Kind of
We must have
cool.
missed it.
Ew. Watermelon cafe.
It's actually really good.
I got like a watermelon champagne. Doesn't taste so much like champagne, but it's really good.
It's so good.
Ăn không ạ?
The seeds are like dark chocolate.
Well, this is it. I'm gonna have my watermelon champagne in the car, and we're just gonna head home. It's pretty good for a half-day trip.
Oh, for delivery.
Bye.